Hey, this is Golden Bee and I'm Honey Seni. Today I will be talking about one of my illustration which is the Shailputri. In this video I will show you how to color Lehenga, Choli and Chunri. I have already drawn the illustration. Let's move on the color part. First I will work on the skin part. I'm using 3 color. First rose base, so fill the whole the skin area part. And second I'm using ochre. Enlarge a little bit of bone china for the finishing of the end and showing the dark part of shadow area. Now I will work on the face detailing part. I'm using scarlet for the cheeks and chocolate brown and a little bit of black for eyelashes and eyeballs. And scarlet color also for the lips. Let's begin the lehenga. I'm using yellow for the lehenga and little bit ochre for the depth of the folding area. I normally start my lehenga design from the bottom, but you can start according to your own comfort. Okay, do observe the process and enjoy the background music. Okay, it's complete now. Let's start Chunri. I'm using scarlet red and also a little bit of yellow and more red color on the depth area of folding. Let's do the hair. I'm using bone china and then chocolate brown and then little bit of black. I'm using white color for highlights. The illustration is completed now. I'm working on the background. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more in-depth illustration video, do check out my latest work on my Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.
वाञ्छितलाभाय चन्द्रार्धकृतशेखरां वृषारूढां शूलधरां शैलपुत्रीं यशस्वी